Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Kartik Supermaniac. I'm Kartik Subramaniam and this is vlog 3. So 2020 started with some serious problems. There were so many memes which said that 2020 you have an error, you have a bug, you should get yourself fixed. And yeah, we did see that there were so many problems that happened till date. So coming to the most famous problem that's happening right now, and that's the corona problem, the COVID-19. Because of the corona issue, what the government did was they put a lockdown. And because of this lockdown, many people are not able to get some basic things like groceries, vegetables, fruits, and whatever they required for their daily needs. These were some things which they were not able to procure from outside due to various reasons. And recently I got to know that the Tamil Nadu government has started distributing relief material to houses which consist mainly of grocery, and this comes in a box. And I thought, why not, let's do an unboxing. So this is an unboxing video of what's there in the relief material box that the government has given to each house. It mainly consists of groceries like, wait, I'll let you to look into that by yourself. Like the first thing that these guys did as soon as they came was they asked us to keep our ration tokens ready. This token was given to us like about 3 to 4 days prior to the day they came for distribution. Let me show you the token. Yeah, this is the token. And you can see how there the people have shown the tokens and they are getting their respective boxes. These boxes are the boxes which have the relief material, the groceries or the ration. Yes, then they came to our house. This was the truck for our area or our ward, which was filled with all these boxes having the groceries. So they just signed on the token so that people don't misuse it by using it twice. Yeah, so this is the box, and I was thinking what to do, so I just took some random b-roll shots of the box, just show how the box was. And guys, I should accept that this box, the cardboard quality was really good. It was thick and hard cardboard that was used, unlike the normal cardboard boxes that we see. Obviously, because it had to carry around 15 kg worth things, so it had to be a solid box. And there comes the unboxing. Yeah, so like once it's unboxed, that time you'll see, wait, let me show you. At this point when we had to bend it, you can just see how tough it was. First there was this cover, I thought it's empty. Then I saw that there are 10 masks which were there inside this. This is something really good that they have given masks. Apart from this, there was this Vivel Lotus Oil soap. There were some dried chilies that were there inside. Again, just showing you the masks from a closer point. There was sunflower oil. There is sugar, coconut oil, turmeric powder, chana dal, Arasan detergent soap, tamarind, chili powder, coriander seeds, and apart from the coriander seeds, there was even coriander powder, tuar dal, atta or wheat. Wait, let me show you. There were one more packet, I guess. Yes, 2 packets of atta, Arasan detergent cake, 1 more, pepper, tea powder, wow, mustard seeds, salt, crystal salt. There was, I think, yeah, there were 2 packets of them, and then cumin seeds, And I think after this, finally we had the 10 kilos of rice. Yeah guys, that was all the contents. Let me show you an overall view of all the contents that was there inside this box. Yes, so this is the ration groceries provided by the Tamil Nadu government as part of the corona relief. That's it guys, this is just a quick repacking of the box, so we are keeping everything back in. This is a list of things that was there inside, so that if somebody missed out or wants to know properly what was there, I just made a list so that you can look into the list and understand it in a much better way. That's it guys, if you like the video, do hit the like button, and a subscribe would be a bonus. Yes, that's it. Signing off. You're watching Car Tech Super Maniac, and I am Karthik Subramaniam.